All right, this is the solution to do statement number 5. So first off, we have to create a loop to look at all the items in the list of students called students. So we're going to create an integer I equals 0. So we want to start by looking at the first one. While I is less than students dot list or dot size, excuse me. We want to do all the following things. We want to say, let's say string s equals students dot get I. You know what? I'm going to do this. I'm going to separate it all out for you, and then I'm going to show you kind of a tricky way to do it. So we're going to create a student object, student s equals students dot get I. We're going to create a string called name equals s dot get name, and then we're going to do our check. So if why is this angry at me right now? I think it's just because I didn't finish this out. If name dot equals, oh yeah, it's a duplicate title. So s name, let's do that. S name, because we don't want the same name as the parameter. If s name that equals name, we want to remove the item from the list. Students dot remove I. And we're not done though, because we need to construct the correct string to return. So we're going to say remove equals s name plus space removed from class period semicolon. And then if that is not the case, else, then we want to increment our counter variable. But we're still not done, because we're almost there, but we're only returning the correct string in the case that we remove a student. And so how do we go about returning the correct string in the case where we don't remove a student? Well, we set the default to that. So instead of a blank string, we just type student not found here. And that way, this is the negative case. Then during our method, we search for the positive case, and in either case, we return it. So if we run this, it should work.